Hi everyone, Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, so today I'm going to be doing the jewelry jar that I got from GranieJosie. I did start the video, I did try to do the video a few days ago as you guys were with me live. It did, for some reason, my computer shut off and I wasn't able to continue. So I'm going to do it today. I didn't open the rest of the items. They're still in tissue paper. I'm going to start from the beginning showing you guys what I found in it. She does have a lot of great pieces. She has very nice jewelry and she does include jewelry that are in great condition. She does include 2 to 3 silver pieces, depending on how big the piece is. We did see one, it was a silver ring, which I will show you again. And I did plug in the description her channel and her link to her Facebook group in the description below. She does have a great channel where she does pop-ups, and she has a jewelry group where she allows everybody to put their sales in and pretty much post anything that you want in the group. I'm also a member of the group. So a great group. Go show GranieJosie some love in her group and on her channel. And I'm going to show you guys the items that I got. Okay, here's a bracelet here, kind of like a clamper, very pretty. I love the butterfly design detail on here. As you can see, the items that she puts in the jars are in great condition. So these are things that you can resell, save and wear and keep for yourselves, whatever it is you want to do. You can, because it is in great condition. So look at how nice this one is. You can add a really nice big pendant to this one or just wear it as it is. It's a nice rich gold color. Okay, I really like this one here. It's a 3-strand shell necklace, but this necklace also includes in here turquoise beads, and I did see some coral beads in here too. Here they are. This is very pretty. This is one I'm going to keep for myself because as you know, I do like colorful things. So this one I'm going to keep for me. These earrings are very pretty as well. They have kind of like the Tiffany color. Very nice. Faceted beads. And lightweight too. Okay. And this necklace here, somebody in the chat said what this design is called. It's kind of like a horseshoe design. I forgot what the correct term for it was. It's very pretty. It's not marked, but it's in great condition, and it does have the fold over clasp, and it's a good size. And you guys can hear my birds today. Okay, they're closer than they usually are to where I put them. Okay. And this one here says it was $29.99 from Coldwater Creek. Cute little purple dangly earrings. And they do feel like glass. Okay, very nice for someone who likes purple. This one here is real pretty too. It has a multiple layered cord here, and it has this really nice glass pendant, and I think this one was signed. Make sure. Yes, it's by Leah Sophia. Okay, this is a nice piece too. And this one here has turquoise color and wood beads. And this one here I think was an Avon brand. It's very pretty long. And as you can see, as I'm showing you, these are really great condition items. And I always get jars from her because I'm very happy with what I get. Okay, look how cute this is. I hope the focus is going to be better. Okay, this is the silver piece that she included. Let me check and see if it's marked with anything here. Okay, it does have a crown on here. And it says HMK. HMK. Where is it in it? 925 HMK. I wonder if Hallmark makes jewelry sterling. If it does, I think that's what it says. And I actually think that she said that these were little diamonds inside here. Very pretty. It's not focusing well for some reason. but let me try here. There we go. Look how nice that is. Very pretty. Okay, so we'll get on to the next. And these ones I haven't opened. They're still here in the bag with the tissue papers. Okay, so we're gonna do these together. And she does wrap everything individually. Very pretty seed bead, silver and gold tone bracelet here. Very nice condition here on this one too. Okay. I also do this myself with my jewelry where I put everything individually. And the reason I do that is so the jewelry doesn't touch each other and doesn't scratch each other when you put them together. Oh, how pretty. This is so cute. It's a cute little ring with purple stones. Very pretty. It's hand wired. A cute little tiny ring, like a pinky ring. Cute. Okay. This is the other silver piece that she included. Very pretty cuff here. Has the oxidized. Guys, I keep butchering that word. It's called oxidized. Okay, it is really cute and it is marked right there. And you guys know I always have to check to see if it fits. And it does. Very pretty. It's a really nice piece. And okay, take it off now. Okay, and it is quite heavy. It's very nice. So it looks like I got my 2 pieces of silver. Ooh, cute. Okay, earrings here with black, looks like enameling. Sometimes onyx looks like enameling, but I think in this case it is enameling. I could be wrong. Very pretty. The back, clean. Okay. Okay. These are so cute. Look at the color on this. This nice rich blue. And you know what? It's showing a different color on the screen, but it is it's darker than what it's showing. It's very cute. Okay, and very lightweight. You know, when you wear earrings that are very heavy, my ears can't take earrings that are heavy. So, okay, it's hematite. And these are the good ones. These are not the ones that are magnetic and stick together. These are real hematite. Well, actually, I think those are real hematite too. But, you know, the ones that stick together, I don't like those. I like this kind. Has a nice clasp. Very pretty. Okay, we have another bracelet here. It's a clamper bracelet. Very nice gold, shiny. As you can see, it says really nice. I'm going to wear this one. That's pretty. I like this design over here. Gemstone bracelet here with the heart toggle. Very pretty. I don't see anything in the heart. And sometimes these toggles are silver. Let me check. May not be. It is. Okay. It says 925 here because usually when they use gemstones and a toggle, and the toggles are usually silver, and you need to check, you can check on the inside of the hearts for them or just on this clasp here. I mean this area here, which it is here, marked here. This is very nice. Okay, these are nice. It's from the White House Black Market. You guys know that this store has very pricey items there, especially the jewelry. And yes, see, they did mark it for $28 for these earrings. Very nice little dangles here with deposited beads. A very pretty brooch here with the dangle. Very nice. And it is marked in the back. It says Sweet Romance. Cool. Okay, we have a little dragonfly pendant here. Very pretty with the gold chain. It has the little C in the circle. Very pretty. This is cute. Oh, am I holding it the wrong way? I have this really cute bead here on a chain. Very pretty with also purple stones. And these you can actually put on the Pandora-like bracelets. And this is really cute too. Simple, cute. See this one. Look how pretty that is. I gotta focus on this. It's very pretty. Hang on, guys. The focus is off. There. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a wow piece. It's very nice. Look at the stones in there. Okay, I don't see any maker's mark in here. It's just a statement ring, but it is really a wow piece. It's very pretty. This is nice. That is cute. Okay, and this, oh my goodness, nice. Okay. Yeah, and just like jewelry jars, you get excited because you don't know what's inside. Okay. And oh my goodness, this is very pretty. Look how nice this is. Layers and layers of chains and beads. Okay, so this is silver and clear crystals, very pretty, very nice. Okay, this is a keeper for me. What is this one? Cute little pendant. Kind of looks like a druzy. Very nice, and it says LC, which I'm assuming is Liz Claiborne. Where'd it go? Okay, very nice. Simple, elegant, it's cute. Okay, side. Oh, this is kind of like a seashell and mermaid jewelry, which I love. So cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, so some of the charms are going through these little chains here. So let me try to see if I can fix it. Oh, cute. I see stars and dolphins. Oh my goodness, cute. Trying to get it to go to this side because, okay, I'll just show you both sides and then I'll fix it. Look how cute this is. It has seahorses, stars, blue beads. There's another star here. Cute. You have to see this closer. Okay, look at that. And stars. Look at the seahorse. Okay, I saw one that was a different color that was so cute. Where'd it go? Look at that. That one over there. It's very pretty. Okay, so also has a toggle clasp. Okay, so that's pretty. Lots of stones. Look at that. It's pretty. Nice stretch to it. Great color. Love the combination of the green and blue together. Very nice. Okay, I like that one too. Okay. I keep for myself. This is so cute too. It's also stretchy, in great condition with pearls, and it has really nice X details on here. Very pretty. With this large bead here. Very pretty, kind of looks like jade. It has 3 rhinestones down here. It is not marked, but it is very well made. Very nice piece. And I think it goes this way. Oh, looks like a pear now. It's cute. Okay, there's multiple ways that you can wear it. I like it. I like it this way here. Look at how nice these are. And the back reminds me of that 1928 swirls. It may be from 1928. It is very nicely detailed and not heavy at all. So look how nice these are. Very cute. It's a nice chain here. And I think it was just a chain. Yeah. Okay, so this is a chain that she included. And this does look like it is silver. Yes, it says Italy 925. So she added another silver piece. And of course, you can wear this with any pendant. that you might have already. Purple earrings here, very cold. Okay, they do feel like they are gemstones. Very nice piece here. Very rich and dark purple too. Okay, that's pretty. Red beads here, faceted, great condition. This is really pretty. Okay, and I do love red, so, and I have red earrings for it too. This is really nice. Okay, and we have, this is nice too. And you can wear this with those earrings. They'll be nice together. Let's see. Look how pretty these stones are. It just popped the balloon. Purple and an aqua color, and it's in a gold tone necklace. Very nice. Okay. It's a very simple and pretty piece here, where you don't want to wear too much, but you just want that pop of color. It's cute. It's nice. Look how pretty this is. Okay, these are most likely dyed howlite. And look at the crystals. These are really nice crystals on here. And the crystals go all the way up here. So I wonder if you can see all of this in here. Look at this. This is really pretty. Okay. And this is another piece I'm going to be keeping for me. It's really nice. Great statement piece. Okay, so that's all that was in the jewelry jar. And like I said, I did put Granny Josie's link down below. If you're looking for jewelry jars, she makes the most perfect and excellent, great condition jars. You won't be sorry you got them. She has very nice pieces, and she does include 2 silver pieces or 3. In this case, I got 3 silver pieces. And very nice jewelry, which of course I can resell these, or I can keep them for myself because they are in good condition. And let's see. Oh, okay, I can't put this one on the right side, but here it is. And this is really cute too. And I got bracelets and earrings and a whole bunch of nice stuff. So go ahead and show Granny Josie some love on her channel, and also if you have Facebook, on her Facebook. And if you want to try one of these jars, please go ahead and do so, and let me know also what you think. This is Anita Fanita. I hope you guys had fun. Saying goodbye. Bye, everyone.